Hello, Kiambote. Kizambote. Sitolongoka ndinga tieto, ndinga kintinu ke Congo da totela. Tutondele. Thank you very much. Welcome. We're going to learn the language of Congo Kingdom. Thank you. Let me start with greeting a brother. We are okay. We have sister Rachel and brother Makailo. Brother Makailo, Kiambote.
Kimbote Ngeta Tuvimpe
Una
Tatandele
mavimpi, eh?
Kitandele
Ingeta. Tuna
Ngeta
mavimpi. Brother Makailo, Kiambote.
Kimbote Tatandele.
Oh, you have an issue with sound. Let's go to Sister Rachel. Kiambote, Nengwa Rachel.
Kiambote tata mpanzu.
Una mavimpi, eh?
Ingeta tutondele.
Ah, tuto ndele. Kiambote Tata Makailo.
Kimbote
Oh, I think you have an issue with your sound. Okay, never mind. Don't worry. Let us go to I think we did last time. This we have some words. We need to read those words. It is. Let me just try to. I'm sharing my screen. Oh no. Okay, is there? Let me just read for you. Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Mankenda. Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Mankenda. Nengwarocho. Can you try, please?
Kiambote, diambote,
Mm-hmm.
mambote,
Mm-hmm.
mayamba,
Mm-hmm.
mankenda.
Wow, well done. Diambote Gikilu. Tata Makailu. Can you try, please?
Kimbote Yambote Mambote Mayamba Makenda
Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Mankenda. Can you try again, please?
Kimbote Yambote Mambote Mayamba Makenda
Mayamba,
Mayamba
Mayamba.
Mayamba
It's hard, I know, sorry, it's hard. Makenda,
Makenda
Makenda. Thank you
Makenda
very much. Let us go to the today's lesson. Let me just try to share my gotta find. Ah, I think Brother David is here. Kiambote
Oh,
Tata Davidi.
Gambote, Gambote.
Thank you very
Kiambote
much.
Davidi, Kiambote.
So
Kimbote
you managed to fix your computer. That's good.
Yes.
Let me just try my phone. I try to share my phone. Mm, Yeah, it is okay. We're going back to the same lesson. Mm, I think Sister missed this. Sister Rachel. Sister, can you help us? Can you read for us, please?
Ingeta. Congo language course. Malongi Maki Congo
Mm-hmm.
or Kizombo by Professor Hazel Carter and the Reverend Joao Macondekwa.
Well done, Makonde, kwa, yes.
Macondekwa.
Mm.
She received her doctorate dissertation between, or rather, she completed her dissertation between February 22nd of 1928 through, no, excuse me, that's actually when she was born, excuse me.
Mm.
I'm just read it. So her length of time was 1928 February of 22nd through 2016 August the 3rd. And her doctorate was in the subject matter syntactic tone phrases in Congo, otherwise known as the Kikongo language, from
Mhm.
the African Studies program of the Department of African Languages and Literature from the University of Wisconsin Madison, May 1987.
Thank you. Please carry on. Thank you.
This course is designed to teach you to speak rather than to know about Kikongo. These are special teaching drills, not testing drills, as in some language laboratory courses.
Hmm.
In 2001, Professor Hazel Carter received the Distinguished Services Award from the African Language Teachers Association.
Thank you. The last one to turn it.
Kikongo is a tonal language. Different tones distinguish different meanings.
Thank you to turn the sister. This is the key, no?
Mhm.
Tonal language. Thank you. Objects concord first and second person plural. I, you, want. Okay. Zolele kutuvingile. Hello. Zolele kunuvingila. Zolele, second person, Zolele. First person is always N. Rezo. Tata Davidi. Davidi Kikongo, please.
Okay. Zolele kutivingi
Mm.
elo. Zolele kunuvingila.
Yes, thank you. Kunuvingila. Nengo Rachel, please.
Zolele kutu vingile
Mm.
elo. Nzolele kuna vingila.
Kunuvingila. Remember,
Kuna
we have
vingila.
Zolele kunuvingile. Hello. Zolele kunuvingila. Can you say it again, please? Can you read it again, please?
Zolele. Zolele kutu vingile
Mm.
elo. Ndozele kunu
Nzolele. Don't worry about that. About the Nzolele.
nzolele
Mm.
kunu vingila.
Thank you. Tata Makailu, please.
Zolele kutavingala
Mm.
elo enzolele kutavingala.
Kunuvingila. We don't read
Kunaving
N. We don't read
Kunavinga.
N. N is there just for your the nasal. Tata Makailu.
Zolele. Oh,
Yeah, you can read this as well. Let me read
oh.
first. Zolele kutusadise. Hello. Zolele kunusadisa. Tata Makailu.
Zole kutasalie elo
Kudusadise.
kusadise
Mm.
elo enzole kunsha diasa
Zolele kunusadisa. Let us move to the
sadisa
next one. Nengo
kunasadi.
Rachel. Zolele kutumone. Hello. Zolele kunumona. Please.
Zolele kutumone.
Kutumone.
Zolele kutumone
Mm.
elo. Nzolele kunumona.
Thank you. I know it's hard, but you are brave. No, I'm going to read it again. Remember, it is a tonal
Tonal.
language. Remember, in music, we say do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. The
Yes.
value of the
Elo.
note, the musical note, it is not the letter D, A, do. It is your, I could say, la, 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 la. Put any syllables. K, 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 K. It doesn't matter. The value, essence, the meaning, could say, I don't know if you can say meaning. of the note is your tone. So Kikongo is that you're not just reading, but you're expressing your your soul. You know, you're something from your because of the
Yes.
tone. Yeah. Let me try
Okay.
to read for you. Don't worry. I know you.
It may sound a little choppy for me right now.
Sorry.
It may sound a little choppy for me right now.
Yeah,
Mhm.
we're just
Okay,
beginning.
I trust you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let me try to read for you again. Zolele kutumone. The mona, the verb see. That's where we have pitch going up and down. Zolele kutumone. So you shoot up, then you land safely. Land slowly.
Mhm.
Go ahead,
Mhm.
please.
Zolele kutumone.
Oh wow, you done it. See, see. Yeah. I
uh,
mean, as soon as you hit the proper note, proper tone, you got it, no? Nzolele kutumone, hello, nzolele kunumona. If you went to a village, Bakongo area, you met, I think I said in the past, you met with a lady, you see a lady 100 years old, never been in the town, she only speaks Kikongo.
mhm.
If you miss your tone, he wouldn't ask you, what did you mean? Because we remember our brother David, we always say what we mean.
Yeah.
If you use to talk for her, it's nothing. See? Use your proper your tonality. So you must do it properly.
Well, hopefully, I have
Zolele,
somebody with me.
you done it. You read it again, please. Zolele kutumone. Hello. Zolele kunumona, please.
Zolele kutumone.
Mm.
Elo. Nzolele kunumona.
Kunumona. Yeah, the same.
Kunumona.
Well done. Tata Davidi. Zolele kutusone kene.
Zolele kutusone kene,
Mm.
nekene, elo. Zolele kunusonika,
Kunusone kene.
kunukonkena.
Mm. Sorry, because I mean this is how the the linguists say we have to write it, but write it as one word. But it normally it is two words. See the verbs here: soneka, sonekena. Mm. Kunu to you. Mm. Zole kutusone kene. Elo. Zole kunu sonekena. Mm.
Okay,
Mm. I know it's confusing. Not you, but because it's one word. I mean, there are two words, but they put in one word. Then
sure.
for non-native, it's hard. I
Hmm.
understand that. The reason they put in one word because being a tonal language, it flows, softly. You move from one word to another one. There's no pause, no pausing.
So it would be kutusonekene,
Well done, kutusoneke.
zolele kutusonekene,
Yes.
elo.
Mm.
Zolele kunusonekena.
Kunusonekena. Mm. Kunusonekena. Yes. Mm. Let's just move to the next slide. Let me read for you first. Here we have kutu lambila. Lamba, to cook. This is the verb lamba. These are two words. We write it in one. I mean, this is not me. Linguists, they say that we should do that because in real time, real life, when you say the word, two words, but it comes out as a one. Kutulambile. We don't pause. We don't do zolele kutu lambile. No, we don't do that. Go straight. Zolele kutu lambile. See. Okay. Dr. Makai, can you try, please? I'll read it for you. You can pause ish. I mean, Zolo Kutu Lambile, but the next word would be Zolo Kutu Lambile. Dr. Makai,
Zolele kutupalamle,
Zolo Kutu
elo,
Lambile. You have a long vowel.
kutulam,
Mm,
kutulambele,
mm.
Elo, Nzole, Kunulambia.
Mm. Remember, the N is there for your nasal. You don't read it. Mm. Thank
Nzole.
you.
So, Brother Makayalu, I think he was like, you say, mm.
Yeah, good. It is hard, not easy, you know. Nengorocho.
uh, okay, Ingeta. Zolele, kutu ki yile.
Zolele kutukile.
Zolele, kutu ki yile. Elo, nzolele, kunu, kunu ki yila.
Well done. Zole kunukile. Zole kutukile. Uh,
Elo,
sorry.
nzolele.
Tata David. Tata David.
Mhm. Zolele kutuvilile.
Mm.
Elo. Zolele vivila.
Well done. Zolele kutuvivile. There are two words, but we don't pause. Normal, you should read Zolele kutu vivile. No, we don't do that. We go straight. Zolele kutu vivile. Hello. Zolele kunu vivila. You're doing well, you know. It's not easy. Nengwareche. Zolele kutu songe. Hello. Zolele kunu songa.
Zolele, zolele, kutu songe.
Mm.
Elo, nzolele, kunu songa.
Well done, well done. Well, I like that. You read it from your heart, you know. Read
Thank
from
you.
your heart.
Matando. Matando.
Yeah. We speak English from here, but we speak it come from from our
Yes.
heart,
Yes.
your soul, you know.
Elo, elo.
Tata Makailu. Let me read first. Oh, long word. It is not a long word because there are two words there. Zolele kutu samunwine. Hello. Nzolele kunu samunwina. Tata Makailu, take your time. Please go ahead.
Zolele, Kutu Sambule, Elo, Nzolele, Kutsumba Wanda.
Okay, let me just help you. Try to pause. Try to break here, to pause here.
Kutu,
Zolele Kutu. Can you just read from here? Zolele Kutu, please.
Zolele, Kutu,
You can pause there. Zolele Kutu. The
Sam,
second word, the first one is a question, but
Samune,
the second word is here. Same thing. Samunuina. Samunuina.
Samuna,
Zolele Kutu Samunuine, please.
Zolele, Kutu Samule, Wanele,
Mm.
Elo, Nzolele, Kutu, Kunu, Samula,
Samunuina. Kunu
Samula,
Samunuina.
Wela.
Kunu Samunuina. Okay, thank you. Let me just this was a revision. Revision. I need to go back for Brother David to have a go on what to read. Let me see. 1 minute. Let me share my phone. Okay, Tata David. You did the last time, no?
Mhm.
No, I'm sharing the wrong one. Let me see. Where's my? Is this the correct one I'm sharing? No. Okay. Sorry. Give me 1 minute. Yeah, this is the one. Yes. But I got the wrong file. Wrong. Sorry. Mm, oh, I think I missed my file. Okay, give 1 minute. Let me just share it again. Okay. Yes. Now it's okay. Yeah, brother David.
Mm.
Let me just do it again.
Okay. Kiambote,
Mm,
Giambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Mankenda.
You done well on the last one. The third one, the fourth one. Kiambote, the pattern is the same, remember?
Mm-hmm.
Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba,
The
Mankenda.
same, Mayamba.
Kiambote, Diambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Mankenda. Please.
Mm-hmm. Kiambote, Giambote, Mambote, Mayamba, Mankenda.
Well, well done, well done, well done. Thank you very much. We're done, you know. We're done for today. That's good.
Woo!
I mean, you're doing well because these words, I mean, even on the mainland, we've lost the essence. I could say the essence. We lost the proper tone. That's why we have to keep going back, read, and teach again. So otherwise,
I have a question, Tata and Panzu.
sorry.
I have a question.
Go ahead.
Is the Kikongo that we're learning is mainly coming, from Angola, which probably has the more pure nature of the Kikongo tone?
We shouldn't say that because we need to go back before we arrive. You know, I don't want to say too much.
Okay. Okay,
Before
sure.
1884,
Mm-hmm.
remember
Mm-hmm.
Berlin Conference.
Yes, yes.
When it's like a cake, you just take your bit.
Exactly.
Your
Exactly.
bit
We've all read those. We've all read
yeah, we
those.
don't want to go there. Otherwise, okay. No,
Mm-hmm. Well,
you shouldn't
I'm
say
at,
that because the Kikongo is Kikongo. Hmm?
Mhm.
Kikongo is Congo. The Kikongo you're learning here,
mm-hmm.
learning now. If you finish done well, you know how this one you're learning. You go to the Congo, big Congo. Of course, you don't know. If you go to the country called Congo, big Congo, you go to people ethnic group. I keep saying that Congo ethnic group in Congo, the country, the Congo Sea,
Mm-hmm.
because there are tens of tribe ethnic groups. We're talking
Okay.
about Congo ethnic group in Congo country. Did you get that?
And this is located just for us, just so I can mentally see in my mind. This is meant, you're referring to people that live probably in the Angolan territory presently, right?
Now let
Or
me
not?
say it again. The reason I
Oh,
went
okay.
back is don't put it in the context of pre
Oh,
Berlin
excuse
Conference.
me. Thank you. Yes, okay.
Yeah?
Thank you.
We
Okay.
are same kingdom. Hmm?
Yes, I know, I
Right.
know.
Yeah, if you
We're,
speak, you live
yeah.
in US, you speak English. You are from southern part of US, speak English, but you move south Midwest. I don't know where. It's same language, but some words, some
little
you know
different.
the yeah variation, variance,
Mhm.
but same language. Mm.
No, I know that before the European colonization, the Congo was a very large span territory, which it still is today. But it's just that, after that time period, the French, the Portuguese, mainly the French, I would say, really influenced the DRC and other portions where France colonized. But just from my understanding, some of the Kikongos still may be not as folded in with some of their Portuguese terminology. In other words, the Portuguese, the people that speak Portuguese, but then they also speak Kikongo, where it's not as intermingled as the French would be with the Kikongo of other parts of. Okay, but I'll stop because I'm looking at your
Right.
face here.
I know. I understand. I know where we're getting to. Okay, of
Okay.
course, there is another Kikongo version created by Belgium. We
Hmm.
call it Kikongo Aleta. That variant is mix of Kikongo and the French. Hmm?
Hmm.
Uh, Okay,
Yeah.
I will stop there. So, okay, but basically, let go. The main point is, if you speak this Kikongo, understand this Kikongo, you go to Congo, the country, you go to the ethnic group called the Congo, take this, get this, not the country. If you go to the area, ethnic group, okay, Congo people, but Congo, in either the big Congo or small Congo, you understand the Congo, they understand your Congo. This one you're learning.
Okay.
Mm. I have friends that are from the Congo, the small Congo, Congo Brazzaville. It's called.
Yes.
I,
Yes.
one of my friends is learning from this one. No,
Mm-hmm.
he said he
Mm-hmm.
speaks his variant. I speak mine. We understand each other.
Oh, okay.
No problem. Mm.
Interesting. Okay.
No, there's no worry about that because that's why we soon there will be a friend from Congo, the big Congo country, will be using this platform to teach
Mm-hmm.
their own variants. No. Mm.
Oh, to teach the variants, the variable.
Congo, I mean, I wouldn't use the word variant, but it is Congo because it is Congo. Mm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You speak your Congo, you say potato, I say potato. So
Yes. Yes. Okay.
we
I
need the
see.
same thing, not the keyword. Okay, tutondele.
Yeah, tutondere.
Thank you very much. Good day.
Tutondele. Tutondele.
Good.
Bye bye.
Tutondele. Bye, David. Bye, bye, Makayalu.
Put
Bye.
me on
All right, see you later.
Bye, bye.
Bye bye.
But
September. Ira. Papi Salomon. Rienonga. Le coordonnateur. Pas Mandela. Tony Masuti. Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Docteur Nelson Kalaba. Jean-René Bolo. Mamalandu. Agua Congo. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Londoni, Franck Mambi, Politisa, Keita Koulama, Serge Ngodo, à San Diego.